Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about some common sentences. They are mostly used in our daily conversation. Okay, so I'm going to start. Are you not ready yet? Sit properly. My, I just started. Lunchbox in my bag. My lunchbox in my bag. Are you able to make a full sentence? Is it a complete sentence? Is it a full sentence? No. My lunchbox in my bag. Are you thinking how to make? You need to use is, are. Okay? Just try to open conversation notes, okay? Look at. Make full sentences. My lunchbox in my bag. Here we are making complete sentences. We are making full sentences. For them, we need to use is, are. Here. My lunch box. Do you know? It is a very important to remember all is in my bag. I have just completed, I have made a complete sentence. My lunch box in my bag. Something is missing. My lunch box in my bag. You need to use is. You need to use verb isama. Okay. Here, I have used this. My lunchbox is in my bag. This is full sentence. Okay. My lunchbox is in my bag. I hungry. I hungry. I hungry. You need to use is are. Yes. I always use with the I. I am hungry. Okay. I am hungry. I hungry. We are making full sentences. We are making complete sentences here. And for them, we are using isam are. You need to remember all. Okay? Let me see. You not very tall. You. You not very tall. You not very tall. Something is missing here. Just try to find out. Where is your verb? There is no verb. You need to use verb. You need to use is, are, and according to subjects. You, yours are with you. You are. You are. You are not very tall. And here's a full stop. A sentence end with a full stop and start with a capital letter. You need to remember, yes, the first letter in the first word should be in capital. Okay? You are not very tall. You're not very tall. I'm saying this time, you're not very tall. You need to find out which is, something is missing there. Is there any verb? No. You need to use is, are according to subject. Here I have used are with you. You are not very tall. And at the end, I have used a full stop. Okay? This is a full sentence. This is your full sentence, complete sentence. Okay? Number 4. This room not very big. This room not very big. Okay? This room not very big. Students, pay attention, sit properly. Just come back to the point. This room not very big. Something is missing in this point. This room not very big. You need to use, according to subject, this room. Your subject is singular, then you have to use is. This would be capital, yes. This room is not very big. And please stop here. See, this room not very big. This room not very big. This room is not very big. I have used here is. It's not very big. It is a very important to remember. It's a very important to recall. It's a very important to use. The use of is, are. It's a quite basic. Okay. Now let me see. The next. My father, a teacher. I'm speaking. My father, a teacher. You need to find out what is missing here. Something is missing. You need to find out what is missing. Something is missing. My father, a teacher. My father, a teacher. Where is your verb? B-E-R-B, verb. Without verb, are you able to make a full sentence? Are you able to make a complete sentence? Not possible. Okay? My father, a teacher. My father, a teacher. Capital, you have to use a capital. Okay? Should be capital. My father, father. According to father, according to subject, you need to use is or are. It's so simple, very common. My father is, okay? My father is a teacher. Okay? My father is a teacher. Now, see, we have to focus the missing word. Okay. My lunch box in my bag. My lunch box in my bag. My lunch box is in my bag. My lunch box is in my bag. Is. Always use is. Okay. If your subject is singular, you need to use is. My lunch box is in my bag. Okay? Here's a full stop. Look at number 2. I'm hungry. I hungry. I'm speaking I hungry. I hungry. There is no verb in the sentence. There is no verb in this point. You need to use verb just after subject. I hungry. I am hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So this is your full complete sentence. Okay? Here. Look at it hard. You're not very tall. I'm saying you're not very tall. You're not very tall. You need to use are. Okay? You are not very tall. You are not very tall. Okay? You are not very tall. This is your complete sentence. This is your full sentence. You are not very tall. Look at number 4. This room not very big. This room not very big. This room not very big. I want to point out this room not very big. This room not very big. Are you getting something? Are you getting? Is MR? This room is not very big. This room is not very big. Okay? See. Now, my father a teacher. I'm saying this. My father a teacher. You need to use is MR according to the subjects. My father a teacher, I'm saying. My father. Your subject. You need to use is according to subject. My father is a teacher. See, have used. My father is a teacher. Is it clear? Any doubt? Let me ask. Turn on your videos better. Okay. Sit properly. Is there any doubt, students? Hello? Is it clear better? Harsh Kumar Verma, Priyanshu Singh, Simrat Jain, Anshika Singh. Any doubt? Abhigyan? I'm coming to you, Abhigyan.
Yes, sir.
Abhigyan, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at number 3. You not very well. You not very well. I have written here, you not very tall, but I have just revised, you not very well. You just try to make a full sentence. Okay, you have to imitate something from this point. Okay, now
You
you
are
not
not
very,
very well.
you not very well. Okay,
You are not. Sir, are.
okay, are very good.
We are using are.
Okay, okay, we are using. Very good. We are using are.
You
We
are.
are not very well. Okay.
You
Now,
are not very tall.
you are not very tall. You are not very well. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am using are.
Are with yo. Okay. Very good.
We are using are.
Okay. And look at one more point I have given here now. You see. What can I say? Yes. Look at number 1. My lunch box.
My lunchbox is in my bag.
Okay. My lunch box. We will use is.
Yeah.
Why are
Yes.
we using is? Is it clear, beta?
Yes.
Okay. My lunch box is in my bag.
Bag.
Okay. My key, my room key in my bag. My room key, I'm using a room key. My room key in my bag. We are revising. We are just revising. Okay.
Yes, sir.
My room
My
key in my bag.
key is in my bag.
Okay. Okay. Just repeat it.
My room key is in my bag.
Okay, my room key is in my bag. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Yashraj Gupta, sit properly, beta. Yashraj. Anu Singh. Anus. Anus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at the
Yes.
board. Anus.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
My father.
My father.
Uh,
My father a teacher.
okay.
Teacher. My father is a teacher.
Is it clear? You have to use. We need to use is just after my father. My father
Is.
singular.
Is.
Father is
Yes, sir.
singular.
Is a teacher.
Okay, my father
Yes, sir.
is a teacher. My
A
father is
teacher.
and when okay,
Teacher.
I'm saying like this: my father a teacher, my father a teacher. This sense is not
Yes.
clear. Okay, this is not a full sentence. This is not a
Yes.
complete sentence. You need to use
Yes.
verb. Okay, proper verb you need to use.
Is.
My
Is.
father is a teacher.
My
Clear?
father is a teacher.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Anus?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Meet. Nitish Chauhan. Nitish Chauhan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. How are you, Nitish?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. Now, look at number 4. This room not very big.
This room is
This
not
room,
very big.
this room not very big. This room not very big. Means this room is small. This room is not a very big. Means what? This room is small. Okay? Understand? Now, this room not very big. Okay, come to the point. Come to the point. This room not very big.
This room is not very big.
This room,
This room is not very big.
okay, this room is not very big. Okay, this room is not a very big. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more thing I would like to ask. I hungry. I hungry. Look at number 2. I hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry. Are you sure? You need to use just after I.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm hungry. I am hungry. Okay, good. We are using isamar in common sentences. We are making full sentences. We are making complete sentences. Okay?
Yes, sir.
A sentence start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So we are following here. The first letter should be capital and the last full stop. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's very important to remember. Okay? My M is capital, then full stop here. See? T capital, then full stop here. Yo, then full stop. See? I. Okay? Full stop here. Then am. Here, full stop. Okay? A sentence begins with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay? Is it clear? Any doubt? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm coming to you, Yashraj Gupta. Wait. Yashraj, turn
Yes,
on
sir.
videos, children. Turn
Good
on
morning.
videos, learners. Okay. Yashraj. Okay. Look at the number 1. My lunch box in my bag. My room key in my bag. My book in my bag. My pencil in my bag. My eraser in my bag. My tiffin in my bag. Are you getting? Yes. Are you getting? You need
Yes,
to
sir.
imitate all and then try to make your own sentences. Okay? Here, I'm asking, are you ready, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yashras, how are you, beta?
I am fine.
Okay, sit.
And you?
I'm good. Thanks. My tiffin, my lunch tiffin in my bag. Okay? I'm just revising my lunch tiffin in my bag. Okay? Make full sentence. Yashras.
My lunch tiffin is in my bag.
Okay. My lunch tiffin is in my bag. Okay? Lunch tiffin is in my bag. Okay? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My eraser, my eraser in my bag. My eraser in my bag. I'm saying this, my eraser in my bag. Make full sentence. Make full
My
sentence, child.
eraser is in my bag.
My eraser is in my bag.
It's
Okay?
in my bag.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the number 2. Hungry. I'm hungry. Okay. I'm just revising. I tired. I tired. I have just removed hungry word here. I tired. I tired.
I am
Okay.
tired.
I am tired. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Always use with the I. Okay. Yes. I am tired. Is there any problem, beta, in number 2?
No, sir.
No, very good. And now look at number 3. You not very tall. You not very tall. Okay. You not very well. Okay. You not very fine. You not very fine.
You
I'm
are not
revising. Yes,
very.
I'm removing. I'm removing a couple of words. Okay. You not very fine. Just
You
focus
are.
on this point, okay?
You are not very fine.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, good. Now, here, my father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. Okay, now here, my father, a teacher. I have given my father a teacher. Is it clear? My father, a teacher. I'm just revising. My mother, a housewife. My mother, a housewife. Okay? Yes, Ras.
My mother is a housewife.
Very good. My mother is a housewife. My mother, a nurse. I'm revising. My mother, a nurse. Okay?
My mother is a nurse.
Very good. My mother is a nurse. Okay? My mother, well. My mother, well. Okay. Make
My
full
mother
sentence.
is a. My mother is a well.
Is or will no beta? My mother well. My mother is well.
Well.
My mother is well. Is it clear?
Well.
Okay. Is it clear, beta? Now,
Yes,
dear,
sir.
turn on your video, see it properly, beta, and just try to follow. Okay. Here. One more thing I would like to ask. Yes, Raz. This room not very clean. I'm going to revising. I'm going to revise. Sorry, I'm going to revise. This room is not very clean. Okay?
This
Not
room is
very clean.
not very clean.
Okay. This room is not very clean. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more thing I would like to give now. Is there any problem? Anybody else?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Okay. Anshit Gupta, I'm coming to you, Anshit. Anshit, sit properly, beta. Anshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anshit, now my book in my bag. My book
My book
in my
is
bag.
in my bag.
My book
My
is
book is in my bag.
very good. Okay. My pencil in my bag.
My pencil is in my bag.
Okay. My lunch tiffin in my bag.
My lunch box is in my bag.
Okay, lunch tiffin or lunch box. Okay, in my bag. Okay. Now
Bag.
here, I late. I late. You need to use is are. Okay. Yes. I
Yes, sir.
make full.
I am late.
I am
Am late.
late. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am late. Very good.
Late.
Okay. I thirsty. I thirsty. Make
I
complete
am
sentence.
thirsty.
I am thirsty. I am
Thirsty.
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 Okay. Now here, look at the number 3.
3.
You not very tall.
You are not very tall.
Okay. You are not very tall. You are.
Tall.
Yeah, using are. Okay. You are
Yes,
not
sir.
very tall. Okay.
Tall.
You not very well.
You are not very well.
You not student. You
You are
not
not a student.
okay. You are not student. You are not a student. Okay.
Student.
Okay. Now this room not very small. This room not very small. Okay.
This room is not very small.
This room is not very small. Okay. My mother. Okay, I'm going to revise number 5. My father is a teacher.
Yes, sir.
My mother,
My
housewife.
mother
My
is
mother,
housewife.
okay. My mother,
Is housewife. My mother
okay,
is
is,
housewife.
okay. My mother is a housewife. My mother is a housewife. Okay.
Housewife.
Okay, Anshit, thank you. Any doubt, Anshit? Hello? Students, you need to make at least 20 sentences. Okay? Make 20 sentences. Okay? That are very common in conversation. Thank you so much, children. Study well. Take care. Goodbye.